In common law marriage, if two people live together and hold themselves out as married, the law may deem them married even without a formal ceremony. In the case of in re Estate of Hunsaker, a longtime couple's relationship put common law marriage to the test. Anne Barnett and Maurice Hunsaker met in 1985. A year later, around the time Anne separated from her then-husband, Maurice bought her an engagement ring and a wedding band. Anne sometimes wore the engagement ring, but she never wore the wedding band because she and Maurice were never formally married. Following her divorce, Anne moved into Maurice's house. The couple purchased a grandfather clock that they proudly displayed in the house. On the pendulum, the letter H was engraved, along with the letters A and M on either side, beautifully intertwined with the H in the center. The A and M stood for Anne and Maurice, and the H stood for Hunsaker. On the couple's answering machine, Anne left a recorded announcement stating that the caller had reached the Hunsaker residence. The couple shopped, vacationed, traveled, dined, owned stock and a timeshare condominium, and carried on a classic car business together. The couple placed a sign in their front yard, captioned, quote, "Hunsaker's, home of the classics," unquote, referring to their classic car collection. The couple did keep separate bank accounts, and they filed separate tax returns as single people, ostensibly owing to Maurice's tax problems. In some contexts, the couple stated that they were spouses, or else let people assume so. In others, they didn't. Thus, many, though not all, of the couple's friends and associates believed them to be married. Anne felt like she was married to Maurice. She thought Maurice felt the same way. In late September of 1996, Maurice consulted an attorney about drafting a will to leave his whole estate to Anne. However, Maurice died before a will could be drafted. Anne petitioned the District Court of Broadwater County to appoint her as personal representative of Maurice's estate on the grounds that she was his surviving spouse. Shoreland Hunsaker, Maurice's brother, sought for himself and his siblings to be named co-representatives. The parties agreed that if Anne was Maurice's common-law wife, she'd receive Maurice's entire estate. The trial court found for Shoreland. Anne appealed to the Montana Supreme Court.